Everyone in your life has told you the same thing. Pay off your mortgage as fast as possible. Get rid of the debt. Feel that freedom. But here's what nobody explains. That advice might be quietly costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let me show you two homeowners. Same house. Same mortgage. Same extra $500 a month available. Completely different outcomes 20 years later. Homeowner 1 throws every extra dollar at their 3% mortgage. They're debt-free in 18 years instead of 30. Feels amazing. No more house payment. Homeowner 2 keeps making their normal mortgage payment, but takes that same $500 a month and invests it instead in a simple index fund averaging historical market returns. 20 years later, Homeowner 1 has a paid-off house. Homeowner 2 has a house that still has a small mortgage balance, plus an investment account worth significantly more than the house itself. Here's the math nobody runs before making this decision. If your mortgage interest rate is 3%, and the stock market has historically returned around 7 to 10% annually over long periods, every extra dollar you throw at that mortgage is only saving you 3 cents of interest. But that same dollar invested could be earning 7 to 10 cents. That gap between what you save and what you could earn is the entire secret. It's called the interest rate arbitrage, and it's exactly why financially sophisticated people rarely rush to pay off low-interest debt. But here's the part that changes everything. This only works if your mortgage rate is genuinely low. If you locked in your rate a few years ago around 3 or 4%, this math strongly favors investing. If your current rate is 6, 7, or 8%, the calculation flips completely and aggressive payoff starts making a lot more sense. So here's exactly how to figure out which camp you fall into. Step 1. Find your exact mortgage interest rate on your most recent statement or your loan documents. Not a rough guess. The real number. Step 2. Compare that rate to a realistic long-term investment return. Historically, a diversified stock market index fund has returned somewhere between 7 and 10% annually over multi-decade periods, though returns vary year to year. Step 3. If your mortgage rate is under roughly 5%, the math generally favors investing extra money instead of accelerating payoff, assuming you're emotionally comfortable carrying that debt long-term. Step 4. If investing is your path, automate the process. Set up an automatic monthly transfer into a retirement account or brokerage account for that extra amount you would have put toward the mortgage. Step 5. Factor in whether you itemize deductions on your taxes. If you do, your mortgage interest may provide an additional tax benefit, effectively lowering your real interest cost even further below the stated rate. Step 6. Consider your own psychology honestly. If carrying a mortgage causes you real stress regardless of the math, a hybrid approach works too. Split that extra money between accelerated payoff and investing so you get progress on both fronts. I want to be clear. This isn't an argument that debt is good or that you should never pay off your house. It's about understanding that low-interest debt, used correctly, can be a wealth-building tool instead of an enemy to defeat as fast as possible. The people who build the most wealth over decades rarely rush to eliminate cheap debt. They let their money work harder somewhere else instead. And this decision connects directly to something even bigger. Because most people who do choose to invest that extra money still make one massive mistake with which account they put it in, a mistake that can cost them tens of thousands of dollars in unnecessary taxes. If this changed how you think about your mortgage, don't forget to subscribe for more finance breakthroughs like this one. Next video, we're breaking down the account mistake almost every new investor makes and exactly how to avoid it. You won't want to miss it.